Today I'm going to show you the one of the best well-known Russian submachine gun, the PPSH-41, or also known as the Popasov 41. Its name Popasov comes from the Russian word for its noise that it makes when it fires. It is a drum-fed, easy loading and easy operating magazine like the AK-47 today. We have the drum magazine right here, and now let's go for the gun. As you see, this has the same buckplate like this gun, and the same iron sights as well. Let's get it clearly to it. Now you see, and we have the braking system. But in most weapons, there will be a switch item, but there's no place to do so. It has also the opening spaces for the gas to come out when it's fired. There's the same bomb sloping downwards, part of the funnel of the same gun. We have a magazine loader. When it is like this straight means it's out of magazine, and if it does later like this, it will be stick right here. For example, like this. But it could get stuck sometimes, but it will be fine. This was made in the year of 1941 during World War II. The main reason, but in the real photo, it's a magazine and its body shape is more like just craftsman made and stamped steel, because its appearance in real life was not that so exotic at all. The main reason is that the recruitment of Soviet soldiers in the Red Army was not good, because the large number of soldiers that you see most movies or videos are actually uneducated, means they don't have any education on weapons. That's why they devised a weapon, all Soviet weapons that could be easily be used, can easily be operated suit, and they made in such a way that even a child can use weapons, such as the AK-47, and that's why it's been popular across the world. Its inspiration of a simple built one was from here, and this was totally one of the best weapons of the Soviet army, and this was the inspiration, was also another inspiration of the AK-47, which its creator was Mikhail Kalashnikov. So if you like this video, subscribe down in the link and to see more videos. So this is the place where you're going to get more videos around. For the time being, bye.